In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart time frame on Pocket Option. Mastering this simple control helps you read price action more clearly, whether you're making fast decisions or stepping back for a broader view. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips so you know exactly what you're changing and why it matters. To begin, open the Pocket Option trading chart. Make sure you're on the asset you want to analyze and that the main price chart is visible. If your screen is cluttered, take a moment to focus on the chart area so the controls are easy to see. Now, look toward the bottom of the chart toolbar. This is the strip of controls that lets you adjust how the chart looks and behaves. In that lower area, you'll find the control labeled time frame or interval. It may also display a shorthand like 1M, 5M, 15M, 1H, or similar. That label tells you the current interval for each candle or bar on your chart. Click the time frame or interval button. A small menu will appear showing the available options. Each option represents how long one candle or bar takes to complete. For example, 1 minute builds a new candle every 60 seconds, while 15 minutes groups price movement into 15-minute chunks. Shorter time frames reveal more granular, fast-moving detail, and longer time frames smooth out noise so you can see bigger trends. Select the time frame you want. Think about your goal as you choose. If you're monitoring quick changes or fine-tuning entries, a smaller interval like 1 or 5 mLs can help. If you're analyzing momentum or structure over a wider window, consider 15M, 30M, 1H, or beyond. Remember, you're not changing the asset or your open positions, only the way the data is grouped visually. After you make your selection, the chart will reload with the new candle interval. This refresh may take a moment, especially if your connection is slow. You'll know it worked when you see the timestamp spacing along the bottom axis adjust and each candle's duration match your chosen interval. Any drawings or indicators you added typically remain, but they will now align with the new time scale. That's all there is to it. Open the chart, locate the bottom toolbar, click the time frame or interval control, choose your preferred setting, and let the chart reload. Switch timeframes regularly to cross-check your analysis. Zoom in to refine timing, then zoom out to confirm the broader trend. With this quick adjustment, your chart becomes a more precise tool for your trading decisions.